welcome to Craft Little Things. You're probably, hopefully, here for number 4 in my series of children's Christmas craft projects. I'm doing 12 projects in 12 hours. I'm going to do this hour is the Pom Pom Pal, and you get 2 of these for £1. And as with all the others, this is the first time I've opened one of these. You get pom-poms, felt embellishment pieces, felt embellishment stickers, double-sided tape, plastic needle, yarn and instructions. Ooh. And if you've not seen already, we've already made in our first one, we made this little hanging elf. We did a sun catcher, and we've done a Christmas character so far. 1, 2, 3 videos. And this time we're doing these pom-pom creatures, pom-pom whatever they are, Christmas pom-poms. There's lots of instructions, so we'll choose which one to do. I think we'll do the snowman because we've done lots of elves already, so we'll do the snowman. Not suitable for children under 3 years. Adult assistant supervision recommended. Read the instructions. Remove all packaging. Blah de blah de blah. Protect your work surface. Contents: pom-poms, felt embellishment pieces, felt embellishment stickers, double-sided tape, yarn and a plastic needle. For the snowman, thread the yarn through the hole in the plastic needle and pass it through the top of the white pom-pom. Make a tie to have a loop for hanging as shown in the picture below. So thread the yarn. Is this, oh, that's the elf pack. Oh, so they even sort the bits out for you in this one, which is quite useful. And like I said in the other one, all these bags are resealable, so you can pop anything you don't use away for another day. I'm not sure, do you get a needle? I don't think you get a needle in both packs, and you just get the one needle. So you get your yarn and you thread it into your needle, the top of the pom-pom. Oh, these are cute pom-poms. So you thread it through the top. Remove the back cover of the ear felt and stick to the snowman face. Stick the blue felt to the left and right ear as shown in the below picture. The back cover of the ear felt and stick to the snowman face. Oh, where's the snowman face? So we remove this because it's got his earmuffs on. So this just simply peels off like the first project we did. It's a little bit more tricky to get off actually than that was. And then we fasten those over his ears like so. That is shown in the picture below. And then stick double-sided tape to the hat and stick it to the top of the snowman's head. So we get the double-sided tape. Be careful with these projects because this tape, I didn't realise that's what it was, and I was about to throw it away with one of the projects. So pop that on the hat and then peel it off. It is quite easy to peel off, but you would need little hands that were quite dexterous, so younger than 3 I wouldn't think they'd be able to do this. She says 51 and she can't do it. So then pop the hat on. they're not as big as they look in the picture. They're not as round and as fat. So yeah, or maybe do it sideways or something. Move everything around to the side, because you're going to need to use the more chunky side of your pom-pom to get everything on. Don't know if it's too late for me to do that. It probably is, but definitely lesson learned is that for the next time I would go with the really chunky side. It's just that at the time that did seem like the chunky side. Okay, so that's a lovely little project though. Great little project, a little bit fiddly again, but fun. So that's that one. So we'll be back with number 5. They're much smaller than I thought they'd be as well.